So, gonna go over a few Amazon sales. Nothing major, purely that it takes time to edit the video doing it this format. Bear with me, 'cause it's the first time I've done it like this. So first one is Footballers' Wives. I think this was, yes, episodes 1 to 8. Can't remember what, it's season 2. So episodes 1 to 8, season 2. We paid £1 for this, and it's 1930. Sold for £24.99. Next up we have Loaded, which is a PlayStation 1 game. This one sold quite recently. This was Amazon Prime, so it was sent up to Amazon. Saying here I sent this up in January. We take that one back. It's sold in January this year, literally on the 7th. We paid £2 for this, and it sold for £28.76. Okay, so next one up is a hardback book that we paid 25p for. Again, this went up to Amazon quite some time ago now. I don't really do a lot with the books anymore, but this sold for £9.99. This is a Star. It's a Star, The Lives and Loves of Susan Haywood. It's in pretty good condition. Yeah, so pretty good return on that. So next up on our list is a Seen It DVD game. Bought quite a lot of games in on eBay. I was checking out games that were for sale that were quite obviously new and sealed. I bought them in around about July, August time. Bought quite a lot, and pretty much most of them sold over the Christmas period. This one I paid £4 from, around that mark, and yeah, I think we had about 4 or 5 in the end, and they all sold between £29.95 and £39.99. I think there was 2 different size ones in the boxes, but yeah, very happy with the return on that. So the last one in this list of 5, this the first instalment of Amazon sales, and yeah, you know what, I might look up bits and pieces to improve, maybe put a bit more information in. Anything you'd like to see a bit more of on information, please add it in the comments below. But we're going to finish off with Columbo, the complete first season. Only paid 50p for this, and yeah, again it went for £22.99. Bit of extra added information on this particular DVD. This one, according to my FBA multi-tool, it's in the sales data of the top 3%. ROI margin is 3,160.30%. My profit on that one after my fees and what everything come out was at £15.30. Just wanted to say thanks a lot for watching this new installment of videos I'm trying to do with Amazon sales, rather than just concentrating on eBay all the time. Like I said, it does take a little bit more time doing it this way, hence there only be kind of like 5 at a go. But thank you for taking the time to watch this current one. Please like, share and subscribe. It means a great deal to me to maybe improve my channel. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.